Hey guys, it's me, Machine Antonio, and in today's video I want to show you how I crack or pop my upper back. If you wanted, I'm gonna ask this question every single video. If you want a tutorial video about it and the step-by-step process of how I make it, how I do it myself, just let me know. That's it.
So here I go. And that's it.
And hope the microphone catch all the sound, because I think I need a microphone, an external one, just for this, but I'm gonna try to find it as soon as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna be popping more often in this channel, and I hope you liked it. If it's like that, just give it a like and comment and subscribe if you want. Yeah, that's it. See you in another video.